In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Petco gift card. Whether you're treating a fellow pet lover or saying thanks to a pet sitter, this quick walkthrough will make the whole process simple and stress-free. First, head to the Petco gift cards page using your preferred web browser. You can do this on a phone, tablet, or computer. Once you're there, you'll see options for how the gift card is delivered. Choose between email it or ship it. Email it sends a digital card straight to the recipient's inbox, usually within minutes, which is perfect for last-minute gifts. Ship it sends a physical card through the mail, better for those who like something tangible. Keep in mind that mailing times vary and shipping may add a small fee. Next, select a gift card design. Petco typically offers a variety of themes, so pick the one that best matches the occasion or the recipient's style. This design appears on the digital or physical card, adding a nice personal touch. Enter the amount you'd like to give. You can usually choose from preset amounts or type in a custom value within the site's limits. Think about what the recipient might need, food, toys, or grooming essentials, and pick an amount that covers it comfortably. Add the recipient's name and a short message. A friendly note makes the gift feel more thoughtful. Keep it simple and personal. Something like wishing their pet a happy birthday or congratulating a new pet parent. Enter the recipient's email if you selected email it or their shipping address if you selected ship it. Double check spelling, apartment numbers, and zip codes to ensure smooth delivery. For email delivery, it's a good idea to confirm you've got the correct address since typos can delay the gift. Click Continue with purchase to move on. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in or continue as a guest. Signing in can make tracking and future orders easier, but guest checkout works just fine if you want something quick. Enter your payment details carefully and review the summary on the screen so everything looks right: the design, amount, recipient info, and delivery method. When you're satisfied, click Place Order. That's it. After placing the order, look for a confirmation email. If you chose Email It, remind the recipient to check their inbox and spam folder. If you chose Ship It, watch for shipping updates. Enjoy the peace of mind that your gift is on the way and that your pet-loving friend can put it to great use.